Hi guys, Katrina Quisil vlogs here from Vanlife Philippines. Yay! Today I'm doing another renovation again on the van. Really maximizing the storage in my bed, so I'm making a full-on cabinet on my bed. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bed out of angle bars. I prefer the angle bar for a lesser weight. With this tiny van, weight is really a factor, so I need it to be super light. I didn't do the welding. It's just a simple welding. I just used 2 angle bars, 350 pesos each. So here's the finished product. There. So these are just 2 angle bars that I made into, because this will be a 3-way cabinet. One here, one long one here, and 2 here. This is for the kitchen stuff, and then this will be the pantry, and then that will be the clothes. So we're going to show you how we set up the bed, how it's gonna be done in the van. So let's try. Let's show them, do. Testing natin outer kitchen dito. Maglinis. Dito tayo dito. Nice. Today we're also doing the ceiling. Right, so that's why the carpet now that I will be removing. Look at that inside. Hindi masyadong the insulation that I placed here before isn't so it's just this piece. It's pretty small. That's why it tends to be really hot sometimes. This one is sound and heat insulation. You just have to. It's a sticker here, so it sticks to the ceiling or walls. This is about 8 meters. Yeah, so this is about 8 meters. And that's the van when stripped. Uniform and van. Insulation for the ceiling is done. The windows, blackout the windows here. See, blackout the windows. And we glued the cover. That's for the panel there. Hey guys, so here I'll be showing how the video of how it's done, but I'm gonna give you a run through of how it is. So I've added this is supposed to be a window over here, so I just added some insulation. The black part is on the outside, and then the silver is over here. Then so what I did here, I mean, not me, okay, I had this installed. By the way, if you want to know who installed this for me, just contact me through my Facebook page, Katrina Quisil Vlogs. Purchase the materials, but then I send them my design, and then they use, if there's confusion, they just use YouTube. They're quite the millennial type, not really the oldie carpenter ones. They don't even have experience on this and making a camper van. So as you can see, it's lined up really pretty nicely here. This is what they call the re-engineered wood. 1/8 feet is, I mean, only cost 144 pesos. So I've got about I guess 15 or 14 for this both. This is a tiny van, of course, so it's really nice, lined up really nicely. They added what do you call that one, a pairing, and then on this one here on the bottom part, since this will be for my, I will be adding my bed here, so I decided not to clad that part. The vault, yeah. For my flooring, this is a 1/8 inch, or I'm not really sure ilang inch to, not sure. So for my flooring, I got this vinyl tiles. It's a vinyl tile that I got from City Hardware. Or vinyl, how do I see it? I don't know how to say it. Or vinyl. This is measured the entire space that I have on here, including this one. So I got 28 of this. This cost at $21.50. So I spent about $602 602 pesos for this one, and you're gonna have to stick it on to a vinyl glue. So it's really nice. I also got this. I don't know if this is, it's quite too big, or I don't know. I don't know. We'll see when the sink is installed. By the way, I have a new sink. It's really nice. I like it. It's practical because I would sometimes ask my kids to wash the dishes, and I don't want the splatters on the wood material. So, and I added this one, paper towel. For paper towel, it's only 129 at Robinson's. Handyman. Yeah, and also this one is from Handyman. I guess today we will be installing the bed. Basically just putting the bed back here. It's already done. It's nicely done, as you can see in my video. So, and over here I'm gonna add like a shelves for my coffee and stuff, and something to probably put this over here. We'll continue with the build. As you can see, I have my bed here because they take the van here at night. They work on it in the mornings, and they take the van here at night, so I could sleep here on my breaks. So it's pretty convenient for us. We'll just do what's convenient. Supposed to be I'm gonna help with this, but I really don't have the time, and I don't think I can do it. I don't have that much. They also, it's their first time, but they were able to do it pretty nicely, right? I guess they could make a living out of making camper vans now. We'll continue with the build. Thank you for if you're watching at this point. Thank you guys. Hi guys, so you see I have a shelf here, so nice, right? Nice so cabinet. Today we're gonna be lining up the here, this in between here. So in between this area with some what's this, rope, and also here, probably here. Then we're gonna be using a silicone glue. Pikil siya, guys. Glue stick na lang gamitin natin. Glue stick at saka glue gun. It's nicely done. See? We're gonna be adding lacquer clear gloss on our cladding and here sa ating ceiling banig. Of course, I have to clean it up because this is just the same mat that I used before. This is made by my grandma, so it's really special.